Hi, blessings. Blessings and blessings, blessings and curse me. So, very exciting already. The excuse me, sitting International Criminal Court judge has found Elizabeth, who claimed she was Queen, claimed she was Elizabeth II, of crimes against humanity, crimes against the Environmental Protection Act, and endangerment and extinction of species, or attempting to do that. She's going to jail for at least 14 years. My heart's beating so strongly. I feel much better. Yeah. So I'll give you more. Can I give more updates? I'll give you more updates when they come to hand. Remy Terry, thank you for being my reason for reason. And Nama, love and be. Pastor, love and all of you. Yeah, Remy Terry.